In this video, I will show you how you can make some money on Temu easily. The steps are quite straightforward. Just make sure to watch the video all the way until the end. Do not miss out on any steps. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up the Temu app. Also, make sure to go ahead and log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. And once you're in the app, make sure to go ahead and tap on the U icon at the bottom. So normally, if you were to get some free money from Temu, you would just click on the coupons and offers right here. But instead, we're gonna go back and tap on the Me Reward icon in the middle. And as you can see, we have 4 different options. So in order to make money, you have to click on the third option right here that says redeem up to $200 credit. So go ahead and tap on just pick them up. So basically the way it works is that you have to refer new app users. As you can see, you can earn up to $100 credit in total. So all you have to do is to simply tap on refer new app users and click on copy code. And you will get your referral code. Now make sure to go ahead and send this referral code to as many people as you can. It can be your friends, family, or really anyone you know. Just go ahead and tap on copy code. And once you send this code to your friends and family, all they have to do is simply tap on the search bar at the top and just simply paste your code in here and tap on search. And from there, they will just have to accept your offer and you will start earning money.